Hi, I'm Sam Smyth from Smyth Imported Car Service, and we're running a video here on this 1961 TR3, which they call it a B series. We've done just extensive amounts of work on it in regards to brake, cooling system, charging system, ignition system, wiring system, carburation system, fuel delivery, gas delivery, you name it, wiring, gauges, fuses, just on and on and on and on. I could go on and on. Brake work, caliper rebuilds, hydraulic systems. You know, this car was beautiful looking, but what had happened was everything was painted up to look new. There's a lot of 1960 parts, 61 parts on the car that were painted to look brand new, but they needed all serviced and rebuilt. So, you know, we went through the car, and anywhere it needed something done, it got it done. So we're actually, after several months of ongoing workmanship and trying to finish up on the car, we're actually at the point where we have the side curtains on. Those are all properly adjusted. 72 spoke wire wheels are all on this car. It's a really straight body clean car. You can see the back here and everything. It's just a really nice car, the top and everything. So side curtains are on, and they're, like I said, adjusted correctly. We're in need of a rebuild for the wipers, the motor, but other than that, we've got everything else going pretty good. So we've got it topped up with a little bit of gas, everything else. So we're going to start this car up. We checked all the fluids again. Let's give it a once over, and we're going to take it from there and see how this whole thing sorts out. But again, this is Sam Smyth, the Imported Car Service. We used to sell these cars new. It was 3850 Montgomery Road in Norwood, Ohio. We were the Triumph dealer in Cincinnati, Ohio. We started off as Jaguar in 1959. My father did, with two other investors, and then he moved up into Montgomery Road across from Raymond Motors and Chuck Hassan VW. That's back when all the car dealers were in Norwood, or not in Norwood, I'm sorry, down on Vine Street with the big Indian sign where Jake Sweeney started. So anyway, that goes way back when Shepherd's Mercedes looked like a normal gas station, the Mercedes-Benz dealer. I think they had 4 stalls, 5 stalls in a 3-car showroom. So we're going way back, but and then we gave my father, when he retired, he gave the Triumph franchise up to, which a lot of people know that are younger than I am, the Tom Sweeney. And Tom Sweeney had the Triumph franchise until Triumph pulled out of the United States in the North America market. So anyway, all these older Triumph cars and the older Jaguars and everything, we actually sold them new or serviced them as an authorized service, or what a lot of people call certified, authorized today, whatever, factory approved. I mean, names keep changing for marketing. Whatever it takes to get a customer in the door today doesn't mean they're any better and can fix anything any better. It's just a marketing ploy to get people in the door, putting all these fancy names on stuff. So anyway, make a long story short, we've been in the business since 1934. We're established out of Ireland. Our main specialty is Rolls-Royce and Bentley, but as you can see, we work on these sports cars. There's TR6 with IRS. There's this Triumph here. Outside, you'll see MGB GT we're rebuilding an engine on. Actually, let's just show you behind it. Here's the block for the 74 MGB GT, and we're doing, of course, this pilot bushing. If you look, that's for a 5-speed gearbox that we're doing, and you can see the new pistons in there and everything. So we've got to build it and bring it in. So anyway, you can reach us here in Cincinnati, Ohio. It's Smyth, SMYTH Imports, IMPORTS.com, and our telephone number is 513-793-0434. And this is a long-awaited, we may do an actual startup with the running, let you hear it running, but this was a long-awaited, get wheels on the ground, and all the lights working and everything working, and started up and actually road tested. So this is a big moment for us here at our company. to get this car to this point. So anyway, with that being said, I'll let it go, and you'll see this video, and maybe you'll have to see another one on our actual road test for noises, squeaks, rattles, performance problems, that sort of thing. So we have a very short, normal road test area we go on, and it's very quiet, which we're fortunate enough to do. And most of all our customers, well, really all of our customers, prefer us to road test the cars and check and make sure there is no problems with drivability issues of noise or anything. So anyway, with that being said, I wish everyone all the best. Cheers.